is waiting in the showing room, conference room. It's from Shenzhen Beatles Energy Technology. In Chinese, Shenzhen Energy Technology Company. Hello, Yanni. Am I calling you right?
Jane.
Hello, Yanni. Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you
Yeah.
again. Nice to meet you.
Okay.
Would you like? Yeah, Yanni. I'm so happy to see you again. And Yanni, would you like to give us a brief introduction of your company and or your products or any service you want to show in like 10 to 15 minutes, please? Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Let me introduce our company first. And we are specialized in producing solar street lights and some mainly produce all-in-one and all-in-two solar street lights. And we professional in solar street lights for 8 years. And all our solar street lights have passed CE, ROSE, and IP65 waterproof grade certificate. Now I'm in our product showroom. So let me introduce you some of our products.
Sure. Thank you.
Okay. Now, this is all-in-two solar street light and all-in-one solar street light. Now, we may introduce you 3 models, which are our wholesale models. The first one is this one. This one is all-in-two solar street light, all-in-two design. All-in-two means the LED lamp with the battery and the solar panel is separated. And our highlight for this design is it has the magnet power switch, which is very high waterproof and adjustable. Show you adjustable solar panel blankets. It's 360 degree adjustable, and LED light, LED chip we use is very high brightness, high efficiency. So this one is very widely application for road, street, and some courtyard pathway and some square. And the width is very popular for this application. And the second design all-in-two solar street light is this one. This is a series. Our new model. It come out last year on August, and until now we are already doing the mass production and already sold out around 56,000 pieces. So it's very hot sales now. We have four modules. This is 2 LED modules and 3 LED modules and 4 LED modules and 5 LED modules. The highlight for this design is with the adjustable LED modules. Then it can adjust the lighting angle to satisfy various road needs. And the second one highlight is the battery box. For the traditional solar street light, the battery is external, so it's not easy to install. Now we put the battery into this battery box. Just install the LED lamp on the pole and the solar panel separated. So it's very easy to installation. Now let me show you. This is the traditional design. This is our newest design. The comparison is the battery box. You can see we made is the larger battery box to put larger battery and to ensure the lighting time and also longer lighting time. this is the second one, and the third one is this one, an all-in-one solar street light. The solar panel is on the top, and the empty lamp, controller, and the battery. And the whole lamp is aluminum alloy material. And the appearance we done with the anodized oxidation treatment. So make the lamp is strong anti-corrosion. This is a very special treatment. It's our unique treatment, and adjustable brackets.
Oh, great.
This one can adjustable, not just fixed. If you want the different lighting angle, you can adjust this bracket to make the lamp to achieve the lighting angle. Yes. This is three of our source light we highly recommended.
Yeah. May I have a quick question? Do you have a patent for the last introduced this product, that all-in-one?
We have the patent certificates. All our solar street lights are our patent design.
Oh,
yes.
You own the patent, and so the IP is with you. And may I ask for the minimum of the MOQ, the minimum of the quotation?
MOQ.
Yeah.
We support small order.
Small order.
20, 30, 50, 50 is okay.
And you have a certification to overseas, like covering the Middle East, Europe, CE, Russia, States, United States, like.
Yes, CE Rose, IP65, and other special certificates we also can do.
Wow, that's great. Yes. And may I ask for the supplier duration? For example, a customer is interested in, and can they order a sample? Because one sample is quite expensive, right? And for the sample, or if they are happy with the sample, they want to have the order with you or contact them. How many days or how long you can provide this order? Satisfied
for the sample.
For the sample
order, we can for less than 10 pieces. We can the production time is three days.
3 days.
Yes.
Wow, that's very fast, very fast. Yeah,
it's very fast production time. If for the sample.
Wow, that's really good. That's all for my from my side. And anything else you want to show us, or next time to participate in your?
And if we also have the solar garden light.
Yeah,
this one, the UFO.
A UFO, yeah.
Yeah, this one is very for sales as well, and there are so many clients looking for the UFO, and this is for garden and also the backyard and the villa. UFO design means 350-degree lighting. It's round shade lighting. So it's very good for some square, the park, and some backyard.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah, and the solar panel is on the top. It's very fast charging on the top, and it can meet the sunlight all the day.
And if this UFO lighting is fully charged, how many days they can support the lighting working?
Yes, and the solar street light, all our solar street lights use high conversion rate solar panel. So it for the support charge time is 6 to 8 hours, and it can when full charge it can light for 12 hours every day, and can support 5 to 7 rainy and cloudy days.
Oh wow, 5 to 7 days. and each day supporting like 10 hours or 12 hours. Wow. That's impressive. That's really good. Wow. Thank you. Any others, or this is for today?
And we also have the compact design all-in-one. Yes, the compact design all-in-one is most sell to Europe, Euro market, and some East South Asia market.
East Asia.
Yes, and for the retailer, this one is most popular with the retailers because it's a compact, small design, very easy for the transportation and the installation. Some home lighting, and it's very competitive price for this one.
Oh, that's great.
Yes. Yeah. It also can lighting for 12 hours every night and support 5 to 7 cloudy raining day. So you don't worry about the lighting time.
Roger.
And we provide all our solar street lights with 3 years warranty.
3 years of warranty.
Yeah, 3 years warranty. So we have the quality assurance.
Okay, great. Thank you. Thank you, Yanni. From my side, I'm so satisfied with this brilliant introduction. Thank you. Thank you so much, Yanni. And I'm expecting to see you next time and next event, special event from Lightstrade. Thank you. Thank you, Yanni.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
You have done a very good job. Bye. Have a good day. Bye. Bye. Great.